What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out this product from GasStop. They sent this out to me to take a look at and share with you guys. This right here is a shutoff device for your RV's propane tanks, and it's super easy to use and automatically shuts off if it detects any sort of gas leak or ruptures in your propane lines. If you don't have a product like this, by the end of this video, you might want to consider getting one and stick around to the end for a special discount. This right here is what GasStop looks like. You have this side which connects to your propane tank and this side which connects to your propane regulator. And then on the top here you have your gauge, and this right here you can rotate, that way you can see it from any angle. So I really like that feature. And then you push it and that's how you prime the gauge. Let's go ahead and get this installed on the propane tank. To get this installed, we have to take this side of the GasStop and hook it up to the propane tank. Make sure you screw it on nice and tight. Then you're going to take the propane line from your RV and hook it up to this side of the GasStop. And just like that, everything's hooked up. To get the GasStop working, you have to open your propane tank valve. And then you're going to prime the gauge 4 to 6 times. And just like that, we have high pressure of propane. Now to test if you have a leak, simply shut off the propane valve. And then if you wait about 5 to 10 minutes, just watch this needle, and if it drops, it means that you have a leak. But if it stays in the same spot, everything's good and you have no leaks. Not only will this detect a major leak, but this right here is much easier to test for minor leaks instead of using soap and water. Another thing you can use the GasStop for is determining how much propane you have left in your tank based on the position of the needle. Alright, so that right there is going to do it for my review of the GasStop GS USA 2. If you don't already have a product like this, I definitely recommend that you get it. It's a product that can really protect your camper from the dangers propane leaks can cause and ensure the safety of you and your family while RVing. If you want to get a GasStop for your RV, I'll put a link to it in the description below, and if you use the discount code on the screen, you can receive 5% off on Amazon. Thanks again to GasStop for sending this out to me. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product reviews like this, give this video a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.